So I have arrived at the Patreon camp for Deborah Dickinson. Here's my camp that I just set up, and I'm a little ways away from. Out there is the center of camp where the campfire is and everything. And here's what it looks like all around. We're in the Roadrunner BLM, not far from where I was camping before, and there is Dottie and there is George. So we're all settled in the new camp. And just a little bit of a backstory. Even though this was only 2.5 miles away from where I was camping with my buddies, it was an arduous day. Two things. One is I'd been in that LTVA spot since mid-November. So I had settled in, let me tell you. I had all kinds of stuff outside, more stuff than I really thought. And it took me at least 2 hours to pack everything up, and I had help. And so that was exhausting. And then you drive 2.5 miles and take everything out again and reset up camp, and that's exhausting as well. But George does not like to travel. George has never liked to travel. And I've tried all kinds of things with George. I really thought he would be happy riding in the car with me. I tried a soft-sided carrier. I tried a condominium-sized, hard-sided carrier that is like for a German Shepherd size. And I filled it with toys and blankets and calming scents. And no, he wasn't having it. I thought maybe he'd like to roam free in the truck. No. The only thing he will tolerate, and when I say tolerate, I'm not sure what the hell I mean, but the least resistance is just staying in the trailer. And usually, if we're traveling many days, he gets used to it and he's fine. But if he's stationary for a long time and you move him, game on, let me tell you. And by what I mean is that he will demonstrate his displeasure for me moving him by taking a big old poop on the bed. And, it was only, and I thought today, it's only 2.5 miles. And I'll go really slow and I'll be really gentle when I'm driving through the desert. Maybe it'll be fine. No, George pooped on the bed. But, this is a kind of a special material here that's made for, it's like a bedspread made for animal accidents. So it's got a plastic interior so nothing soaks through, and it's made to clean up very easily. So I can handle it, but it's not fun when you open the door and you're hit with that smell. And George stays mad for a little while. Here's George right now. George, are you still mad at me? George? Yeah, he's still mad. Dottie's fine. Dottie likes changing places and riding in the car, don't you, Dottie? Yeah, Dottie's fine with it. George, not so much. Anyway, I'm going to be here through Sunday, maybe Monday, maybe a little longer. I'm not sure. My campmates back in the LTVA are deciding whether they're going to move on down to Imperial Dam near Yuma or stay where they are or go someplace else. And I will probably just go wherever it is they decide to go. And that'll happen either Sunday or Monday, maybe Tuesday. And as usual, I will keep all you updated with all the movements. Everybody, take care and have a great day.